As we reported earlier in the programme, it's been A-level results day for students in England, Northern Ireland and Wales. And despite all the disruption caused by the pandemic, record numbers of them have won top grades. Whilst the education establishment argues about whether those results do or do not show grade inflation, I've been down to the academy-run Newham Collegiate Sixth Form Centre in East London to witness the moment when over 300 A-level students opened the envelopes containing their results. Welcome to this year's A-level results for the COVID generation. For those who swatted online, deprived of classroom access, a moment of joy and fulfilment.
I got A-star AA.
Well done.
I needed AAA. It was brilliant.
That's amazing. What will you do with that?
I'll be going to dentistry in Barts in London.
Marvellous.
Yeah.
Medicine at Leicester.
At Leicester?
Yeah.
Do you know Leicester?
No. I'll find out in September.
Oh my goodness me. Well done.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to UCL to study pharmacology.
And what did they ask for?
AAB.
Amazing. And what did we get?
A-star AB.
Serving one of the poorest communities in the country, this East London Sixth Form college aimed high, with students bidding to attend some of the most prestigious universities. Go on, baby. What do you got?
I got 3 A stars and an A.
Oh, good. And that's precisely what you wanted, isn't it?
Yep.
And you?
I got 4 A stars.
Oh! Masuma has secured the grades to study physics at Imperial College London. Aisha will be studying engineering at Cambridge. Mum's on the phone.
Hi, Mum. Mum, I got my grades.
Oh, did you open them?
Yeah, I just opened them now. Can I tell you my results now? I got 4 A stars.
MashaAllah. Oh, may Allah bless you. You work so hard. You deserve it. MashaAllah. May Allah bless you in everything that you do, in all your time and everything. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good. We opened them together, so it was really nice.
Oh, what is excited? Okay, I'm going to do them. What time are you going to come home then?
I'm not sure.
Time for the boys. So guys, what do you think you could?
Well, I only need an A-star AA, but I hope I've got an A-star A and B.
So I'm hoping to meet my offer, so 2 A stars and an A. Yeah, I'm also hoping to get 2 A stars and an A.
Right, open up. So this is the moment. What about it?
I got 4 A stars.
Wow, 2. And you?
3 A stars.
Amazing.
Oh, 3 A stars and an A.
Mohsin Ismail has led Newham Collegiate Sixth Form as head since it was founded 7 years ago.
I've grown up in Newham. I think I've always seen that level of aspiration and motivation amongst young people.
But it's a very poor borough.
It is, but that doesn't mean that there is a poverty of ambition.
People are going to think that such incredible dominance of high achievement is about grade inflation.
There is a debate to have about grade inflation, but today is not the day. And I think what we want to be discussing is about how our students have succeeded and worked incredibly hard over what's been a turbulent period in their lives. And they've earned and deserved those grades to go on to the next period or the next stage of their education or apprenticeship or jobs. And coming from a borough like this, we knew full well that we wanted to ensure that our young people had a level playing field, and the grades were their currency to be able to go on to university and beyond.
For Badria, this is more than just grades after becoming the first in her British Bangladeshi family ever to go to university.
So my granddad, he's really happy because he really wanted a medic in the family because that was like his sort of dream. And being the first one to go to university in my family and being a medic from that, I'm really happy to sort of like fulfill his dream and my own as well.
If grade inflation is in play, the exams regulator Ofqual reports that 70% of pupils at fee-paying schools achieved the top grades, compared to around 40% of students at academies and comprehensives. Respect social distancing, says the sign. Here in East London, for the COVID generation, today is about individual triumph, and they won't let anyone take that away. Utterly uplifting. Thank you.
Just time to say, if you've been affected by any of the issues raised in our earlier report about domestic violence, there's help at channel4.com/support. We're back at 7 tomorrow night.
Until then, that is Channel 4 News. Have a good evening.
Bye-bye.